Dekas, agus a Quaraga, on Tossi, the Gatiglan Ayanu, Fiska, and John Jarrig. So I'd just like to thank everyone, first of all, for coming tonight. There's a massive crowd here, it's brilliant to see on such short notice, really. And we're obviously all here for the same thing, to show solidarity with Palestine, and to show solidarity with Liam Ogue and NECAP, who are obviously going to court tomorrow, as the British government try and criminalise Palestinian solidarity that they've been at the forefront of. And I know that there's going to be, I think, loads of people tomorrow. I know that the first court hearing a couple of months ago, I think it's going to be even bigger than that there. But it was very important for us to put on something for the local community here as well, in the heart of the Gaeltacht, where Liam Ogue, of course, worked as a youth worker before, and where NECAP, started a lot of this stuff with singing and the Irish language activism right here. Especially good for the family of Liam Ogue to be able to make it, Martine and Billy and all the others. And for anyone else in the local community who couldn't make it tomorrow, we can all show solidarity with the lads here and tell them that we're standing with them, and tell the British government that we're against their criminalisation of Palestinian solidarity. So, saying me is, while I'm just two secure Nula Niscoline, a false show, this Greewee, Pobble, Aichul, Nula, took a more Huntosi, Lemags, Mothers Against Genocide, and Factus, Spragul, Huntosi, or Dlu Fartiak, this in Palestine. Augustin and Nula Kids were upper, Lechefi, and Dr. Eric Twaman. So we'd just like to start off tonight's speeches with Nula Niscoline, who is a member of MAGS, Mothers Against Genocide, the inspiring campaign and movement that is fighting for Palestinian solidarity. And Nula does a lot of work with refugees and asylum seekers, so I'd just like to hold off to Nula.
Garamila Farja is more an honour to have Sean an Iha Rev Cas Kurcha Shafajak Shaw and Yedin Liam Ogue. So it's a big honour for me to speak here tonight, the night before the court case, the ridiculous court case against Liam Ogue, who is speaking out against the murder of entire bloodlines in Palestine. And that is more controversial and more offensive to the British government than the actual blood on the ground in Palestine. So we are Mothers Against Genocide, for anybody who doesn't know. We are a solidarity group that started here in Belfast, made up of mothers, mostly mothers. That's how it began, but it's now grown and spread across the world. As the world becomes more and more outraged, if you can be more outraged, as the world, we are starting to grow more. The solidarity movement is growing more and more, and it's really important that we, as a community, stand in solidarity with Liam Ogue and his family, but also with the Palestinian people in Palestine and throughout the world. So that's refugees in our community. People here seeking asylum who are escaping these atrocities. And that's even more important at the minute with the rise of the far-right stuff online that I'm sure everybody has seen. It's really, really important that we as a community support people who are coming here and understand why they're coming here. That they're coming here to flee war-torn countries, to flee the climate crisis, coming here to flee things that aren't their making, that are done by Western governments. It's really important that we as a community stand with them. So our aim at the beginning was to spread truth about what was happening in Palestine. It was to amplify Palestinian voices and to challenge the lies and misinformation that was spread by media outlets like the BBC, RTE and other newspapers. We know the truth about how much the Israeli government controls the news that we actually see here, that they have to approve news that comes out of RTE about Israel and what they're doing. We know that the media outlets like the BBC are complicit in this genocide, and that the language they use discredit Palestinian sources, they devalue Palestinian lives, and they dehumanise a whole population and sign off this mass slaughter by spreading this misinformation. But we here in West Belfast are no strangers to these tactics. Our own communities have faced this same dehumanising language for centuries. Our own people have been branded terrorists, and this is why we as a community stand against what is happening in Palestine. When Kneecap played in Coachella, they sent ripples throughout the world with their truth-telling. Some were ripples of pride, like here in West Belfast, and others were ripples of terror, like in Israel. The Israeli government are terrified of the truth that Kneecap are spreading. They're especially really terrified of this truth reaching young Americans. They know they cannot continue what they're doing without the support of the American people. They tried their best. What followed after Coachella, they tried their best to intimidate and discredit Kneecap, but I don't really think they knew who they were dealing with. Every member of Kneecap were brought up in nationalist working class areas where speaking truth to power was a way of life. They come from families and bloodlines that have a deep understanding of colonialism, of state violence and oppression. Tonight we send Múrphictiúir, which is solidarity, the Liam Moog and the rest of the Kneecap members, their families, and especially as mothers to his mommy Martine, as I know this must be really terrifying as well as the pride. It must be so scary. We send love and solidarity to Palestinians all across the world, especially those who are suffering the worst of the violence in Palestine. We send love and solidarity to all those who mourn, to all those who stand in solidarity with them, and to all those who are waking up to this truth. It can be really easy to be really angry at people for not already knowing this truth, but we're fighting against the war machine, a media outlet that control all the news that reaches all of us. So we want to welcome people to this movement. We want to bring more people in, and we want to continue with the most important thing that we can do is speak out, boycott. Boycott McDonald's, boycott Coca-Cola, and boycott Zara, which was a big one for me. But we need to continue this, because this isn't going to end anytime soon. It's through boycotts like this that history has shown us that we can really break this war machine. Gurma, give up a series and
Cormagan Nula, August, Dunkade Cantor Ella is Cara Moore, the Nuclear Cluny, August Cantor Shaw, Cara Specialty, August Comrade Specialty, the Tech Show, the couple of Blainus, a Chagas doing tradition, culture, August Dusa, the Palestina, trees and over, Tashias in the Channel, Les in Belfast, Dabga. Just for the next speaker, Mustafa Al-Saidi is a big friend of ours, a special comrade of these areas, who's been coming here for the past couple of years now, teaching us all about Palestinian culture, tradition and dancing through his workshops as Belfast Dabka. I'd like everyone to give a big round of applause for a special friend.
Thank you, everyone. Hello, everyone. My My name is Mustafa Al-Saidi. I'm from Palestine. I'm from Gaza. It's my first time to speak public, and it's my first time to speak English. I know you can understand me, but I try to speak in English if I can. I try to explain what I feel for you. I try to speak from my heart to you. I'm here because I have an important message, messages. I'm a journalist. I'm a good writer. I'm a Palestinian. I'm a dancer. That is not enough. I think I must talk. I think I must to speak. Maybe I can explain anything from Palestinian people, my friends, my family. They are always contact me through Messenger, and they are always speak with me for our suffering in Gaza. I tell them I will try to move your messages for everyone. I will try to help if I can do anything for them. That's why I'm here. That's why I must to speak. That's why I try to speak. Okay, I have a lot of stories, a lot of points. One of them, I lost my father and my brother recently. After I lost them, I thinking I lost the big things I have. I lost it's not just my father. He was everything for me. He was my friend and also my brother Yusuf. It's not just my brother. I love him so much. Also, I love my father. That's why I'm here to speak about them. Before 2 days, my father he asked me, Mustafa, you are journalist, you must writing. I love what you write. Please writing about what the Irish people help us. We need all the world know that, especially the Palestinian people. They are proud of us. They are proud for everything the Irish people did for them. They saw everything through me, through my page, through my accounts. I used to always publish everything about supporting through the Dabka dance. I remember what my father was proud of me when I started teach Dabka here in Belfast, and when he saw the Irish people dance Dabka dance, he was so proud, and he told me that is important message for all the world, that the Dabka dance, it's not just for fun. It's an important message. Mustafa, keep going. Mustafa, keep teach our culture for all the people. And so sorry. I want to speak about what the Irish community helped my family, my sister and my mother. They are made donation page for get money to help them to get out from Gaza to Egypt. I wanna speak about the first people help me. All my friends, all my Belfast Dabka group help us, especially Finola and Emma and Suzanne, Joanne. I don't want to forget anyone, but I want to thank everyone help us. And my father always told me, thanks the people, thanks who help us, thanks for who solidarity for us always. And after my father and brother this, I am thinking what I can do. Okay, I'm lost my father, I'm lost my brother, but maybe the God sent me here in Belfast to speak about my my family and my people. Maybe I can help them if I speak about them. I want to tell you something important. Everyone can help. Everyone can speaking about Palestine. Everyone can use their accounts to speak about Palestine. That at least we can do. Keep speaking. Keep do anything good. Maybe a little something make different things. That is my message. That is, I will keep speaking about it. And thank God. I'm really glad because before I afraid to come and speaking in English. Now I'm happy because I can to explain what I feel, and I'm happy because I am here in Belfast. When I came to Belfast, I feel this ground love me, and I also love Belfast. And there's something important. When I came here, when I walking in the streets, all the people smiling for me, to me, that is make me comfortable. That's make me this city. It's like my city, and all the people here, it's very kind. I'm proud and happy, and Excuse me. I wanna speak. Okay. I wanna speak about our house in Gaza. The first thing we lost is my family house. It's bombed when the war started after I think 4 months. That is my big loss, because you know, if you lost your house, you lost all the memory, you lost everything. And in the beginner, I'm shy to speak about help, but I don't have any choice. I must to speak. I must to ask people about help my family. Maybe I can do anything. When I speak, I find the people who help us. I think that's to speak about your suffering. It's important. Maybe the people interested. Maybe the people speak about you. Maybe the people help you. And I think I spoke about everything I can speak about it. In the end, I wanna thank everyone to listening to me. And again, my message and our message: keep speaking about Palestine, keep helping Palestine people, keep do anything if you can, and free Palestine!
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 1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Israel is a terrorist state!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Occupation no more!
5, 6, 7, 8.
Israel is a terrorist state!
Thank you, everyone.
Mustafa, thank you so much. Keep kind of talking. It's wild and surface like actually. August wild. The question Melo he's from the man. Next speaker is a young activist. He's part of the local Irish language club and Christian Melo. Going to speak next.
Radio.
Oh dear, God again.
Devices right here there.
Accordia, Grandma get us some dash and more to not Cortug cushion and yellow. August summer, Victor Talk Seoladh. Accordia, thank you very much for the opportunity to speak tonight on behalf of Cushion and Yellow and to launch this important mural with you. Ornoya is braggy all warrior kneecap or nuclear beneath Oiga, Cusalumsa, August Mural or in Kyolasaki, to Pasha, the Fili Oga, the Kyol, August ignore Gilligan abroad, August Beneath will Burlori, Equalim the Gilligan. Of course, kneecap are a huge inspiration for younger generations like mine, and because of their music, children and young people are singing and speaking Irish with pride, and more English speakers are learning Irish. Kumaila Shin, Tanika Victoria, Art International Arm Fellowship, August Kennedy, Ata Israeli Johnny or Nadine Jin. Tanika Victoria, Art Foster, Road Atai, Real Business Rocket, the Kenny Yugi Show. Agus seo an beer ba a Liam ag dul as cuair na Curcha amara. But while the realness na Bractanya, Slay Partiach na Palestine a Rishi agus Brigha a Goy, NICAP are drawing international attention to Palestine and the genocide that Israel is committing against the people there. NICAP are also drawing attention to the role of the British government in this genocide, and this is the real reason why Liam Oak is in court tomorrow. The British government wants to criminalise Palestinian solidarity and arrest activists. Thank you for Shaw and Ear Real Versa, Glockdiha and Realtas na Broctania, and Johnny Slaughtering, August Near Glockmush Real. Shafi and Pubble Shaw and Eden and Imperialist Agoni. These areas in West Belfast are well used in the British government demonising us, and we will never accept it. This community will always stand against imperialism. It's Spraggy A. Liam O'Daniel, Gohariha Mural, or Upper Shades to come away. August Koji ni Captain, Hong Kong, Bria, I have done a teeny August, Ogina, Norman Shit, Cast Percha, and Eden Realtas na Broctania. August Hope Shit and King Stats doing more come away. When he shed Eden and Realtas na Broctania Rish. Liam Oak is an inspiration to us, especially because he worked in our youth club, and they have helped us try and get a much needed new building for our young people. And when they won a court case against the British government, when they gave our youth club the King's Dash, they will win against the British government again. Shafton Wish from Mulcara, August Station and Palestine. We start with Mulcara and Free Palestine, Grand Mila Island.
Just so I'm going to Ray, around the storm of the Ra, tell Mustafa Al-Saidi or Instagram, or the main social day, or Belfast Dabga. Can everyone please follow Mustafa Al-Saidi on Instagram and social media, Belfast Dabga. There's one thing that we forgot to say there. When Falsa Curve Keep came to Rala, I was in Kaito Jarnak, see New Whale and Canada Oiga, Shaw, Common Oiga, Clooney. Just like to welcome the last speaker for the night, the youth leader of Common Oiga, Clooney, New Whale. Go on,
It's a real honour being Chelsea, Seoladh, Big Shawley, and Múrphictiúir. Múrphictiúir, Ilarian, Drew Farchiak, and Mitchell na Palestine, obviously Liam Oak. It's an honour and I'm really happy to be here tonight at the launch of this mural, a mural which shows solidarity with the Palestinian people and with our Liam Oak. As a youth worker from Mural, this isn't just another event for me. Liam Oak is my friend and we grew up together. We attended school down the street in Bunswell, Seoladh, and the college to first year. We ran about in these streets together and I had a wee laugh with his mummy and daddy about it earlier on, but we're not getting into it. And when we were 15, we started our journey as youth workers together in Glenmore at the top of the rock. Liam Oak's love for language and community and for giving positive spaces to young people was evident even back then, 12 years ago, long before NICAP. This mural is more than a print on a wall. It's a statement from our community. It is an act of resistance in itself. It says we will not stand by silently as the Israeli forces commit a genocide against the Palestinian people. It says we will not stand by as the British state tries to label a West Belfast man as a terrorist. It says we will always defend our own, and that when one of us is under attack, all of us are under attack. Tomorrow Liam Oak faces Westminster courts, but tonight he is welcomed home by his own community, a community full of love, solidarity and strength. On behalf of Mona, I would like to say a big Gormayogit to everyone who came out tonight and to everyone that helped make this mural possible. We're sending a clear message. That message is that we stand with Palestine, we stand with Liam Oak, and we stand together. Gormayogit of the station in Palestine.
I'm not going to say, not going to wait in Múrphictiúir just before we unveil the mural. Can we have Leila Holland just to read out and Dan, obviously poem in the hall.
Sorry, I'm not wait.
Sorry, I'm not going to wait. I'm going to start.
Sorry,
I'm not going to wait. Facing forward. Go on, sorry.
Seoladh srípe Rafid Ilarian. Na bheim se blas ní mór ditse fannacht beo chun na stíalsa a insint. Má coid geirlidí a dhéana rúne édaí a cheannach agus coppla téir. Bhíodh sé buan agus rubble fada ar. An na bheith rád ag pleiste a tígan in Gaza agus é a stannaí ar neamh ag feithead lena iad a té agus leachtó hartar. Gan slán o ráile aine, den a colí híon fiú amháin, den sin fiú amháin. Chun go mé rá aige ar an etlúgta a dhéana sé ar an fálaí an áde, agus ceapí sé ar fiú mandar gur angel é. Atá ag tuairt an rá ar eis leis. Me feann sa bláis, bíú an Douglas Street, bíú sé ina nectar. That's a quote, if I must die, by Rafik Alarer. If I must die, you must live to tell my story, to sell my things, to buy a piece of cloth and some strings, make it white with a long tail, so that a child somewhere in Gaza, by looking heaven in the eye, awaiting his dad who left in a blaze, and bid no one farewell, not even to his flesh, not even to himself. Sees the kite, my kite you made, flying up above, and thinks for a moment an angel is there, bringing back love. If I must die, let it bring hope, let it be a story.
Mensen die dan Stefan Lagren, als je zo on Orion, how are you doing? It's really on day, Stefan, across Palestine. Just welcome Stephen Lagren to finish off the night with Seoladh, who and Stevie is a well-known Palestinian activist and solidarity through what causes Palestine. So, Mark and Stevie.
This tune I'm going to play is a song that comes from the Irish tradition. It's called Bull of Oak, and it's a song that was written in memory of Father James Murphy, who died in a revolution in 1798. So I always feel it's appropriate in these kind of circumstances, and I'd like to do it obviously in dedication to Liam Moe, but also to the memory of Osama and Yusuf as well. And it's such a great to see Mustafa speaking here, so I want to thank Mustafa as well for speaking for it as well. My house.
It's really nice to Mustafa go and not doing technique because it's the yoga tax shows for budget days. Can so many young people come up and help Mustafa while we unveil demos, mural, the mural. Myself.
Come on, get them before me. I'm blocking your view, I'm sorry.
Okay, can you ready? You're ready to help Mustafa? Are you Ella? 3, 2, in, go! Free, free!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
Seoladh!
Palestine!
Seoladh!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
Free, free!
Palestine!
14 yourself and polite, Bob. Go in behind them there, 14 polite. Try to get in behind them. That's the word. Walk in behind the kids there.
No, like don't have the mark.